Hello and welcome to our senior project presentation for our application, Bionet. I'm Carter.
And I'm Edgar. What is Bionet? Bionet is a progressive web application that is used to track database full of protein-protein interactions. The reason why we use these datasets was ideally to be used by fieldwork biologists that might not have network connectivity. Bionet is developed using HTML, JavaScript, Firebase, and Firestore. Firebase is utilized to host our application, and Firestore hosts our database. What is a progressive web application, or PWA? A progressive web application is a platform that has even greater versatility compared to apps and websites. Main features are: a PWA is discoverable, which means it can be found through search engines such as Google, Yahoo, or Bing. It's installable, which means it could be installed directly from the website. It's linkable, which could be shared through URLs. The entire application can be shared through URLs. It's network independent, which means it could be used online and offline. It's progressively enhanced, which means it could be used on a basic level in all browsers. Responsively designed, which means it could be used on any device and any OS such as Linux, iOS, Android, macOS, and Windows.
So, the flow of a progressive web application can be explained by this basic flowchart. When a user launches the website, the script titled app.js is run and checks if a service worker is installed. A service worker is a JavaScript file that runs independently from the main thread that intercepts network requests and stores resources in the cache. In our case, our service worker pre-caches all of the necessary data to use the application on the initial load of the website. It also checks if any pages are missing from the cache and will dynamically download them if need be. Once the service worker is found and activated or installed for the first time, the caching process is done, and the application is ready to be used from the browser or installed to the user's device. Here's our project demonstration. On the left, you can see what the site looks like on the Firefox browser on my personal computer, and on the right, you can see what the site looks like on the Chrome browser on an Android. From the home page, you're able to view the entire database of protein-protein interactions, where the primary ID is the current protein followed by its name. Underneath that, you can see the relationship between the secondary protein and the percentage of how related they are highlighted in green. By clicking on the delete button, you are prompted and asked if you really want to delete the entry. Upon clicking yes, the data will be removed from the application and the database simultaneously. If you're working with the application online, only you will see the change in data on the front end, but when you reconnect to the internet, the changes will be shipped to the database. You can also add new interactions using the plus button. Or, if you're on Android, you can swipe left to bring the menu up automatically. On newer distributions of Android, the website will automatically notify you that this is a progressive web application and ask you if you want to install it. But here's how you would do it from an older distribution. This concludes our presentation for Bionet. We appreciate the time you took to watch and listen and hope you have an amazing rest of your day.